My name is Kelly Atkins, and I'm excited to share with you the package, the program called Organica. And it's an hour-long workout, play out, where we focus on the feet and on playing, activating play. It includes something I'm just about to video, and that is an hour-long workshop on the brain itself, and with all kinds of scientific information included that will show you why we do what we do and why it's so needed in our world, why we need to embody play, why we need to, all the gifts that it has. It helps with addiction, it helps with depression, it helps to bring for deeper engagement. It turns on way more of our brain than when we just work out or check out on the treadmill. So I'm about to video that, and I can't share any more here with you. It's in the program. So you get the workshop, you get the hour-long dance that you can practice regularly. It's all in Kai Academy, this great program that has all of my work there, where you can go to do any kind of training. It also includes, this Organica includes a 30-minute video of core play, which are body somatics that are done from the floor to strengthen your core using your feet. And it's fun, and at the same time it's also really effective, especially healing things in the body that need time, where you'll focus more on your breath and mindfulness and on small movements, as well as the traditional strengthening movements for the core. We want to go in deeper, strengthen the body on a subtle energy level. So there's the link. Share it if it feels good to you. It really is helpful to me when you share it, and to help share this work wider in the world. I'm having a hard time talking. Oh boy. Playing. Anyhow, I hope you're having a great day.